Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I have another walkthrough of the CA-GPT. The income tax return filing deadline for non-audit cases is 31st July. As we are approaching this deadline, let's find out what are the consequences of not filing an ITR within the due date. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified when I post new videos. Here I have the CA-GPT website. Now I will log in using my credentials. Now I have logged in into the CA-GPT. Let's navigate to the Direct Taxes GPT. Now I opened the Direct Taxes GPT and I will give the following prompt. What are the consequences of not filing an ITR within the due date? Let's see what answer we will get. So now we have received the answer. Below are the consequences of not filing ITR within the due date. So the first consequence is late filing fees. Under Section 234F of the Income Tax Act, if the return is filed after the due date but before 31st December of the assessment year, a fees of rupees 5,000 is applicable. If the income tax return is filed after 31st December, the fees increases to rupees 10,000. However, for taxpayers with a total income not exceeding rupees 5 lakh, the late filing fee is restricted to rupees 1,000. The next consequence is interest on tax due. Interest under Section 234A is charged at 1% per month or part of the month on the unpaid tax amount from the due date of filing the return until the date the return is actually filed. Loss of interest on refund. If a refund is due, the taxpayer loses interest on the refund amount on the period of delay in filing the return. Loss of carry forward of losses. Losses under the head capital gain or profit and gains of business or profession cannot be carried forward if the return is not filed within the due date. Prosecution. In extreme cases, delay in filing ITR can lead to prosecution. If the tax due after self-assessment exceeds rupees 10,000, the taxpayer may face imprisonment ranging from 3 months to 2 years. And in severe cases, it would extend up to 7 years with a fine. Disallowance of certain deductions. Certain deductions and exemptions under the Income Tax Act, such as deductions under Section 80C to 80U, may be disallowed if the return is not filed on time. These consequences emphasize the importance of timely filing of ITR to avoid financial penalties and other legal complications. As now we are aware of the consequences of not filing an ITR within the deadline, I request everyone to adhere to this timeline. If you found this video informative, I request you to like and share the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching the video. I will see you again in the next video.